Hey everyone, welcome to the SS Academy. In this video, I want to talk to you about lists in the HTML. So in the HTML file, we can define a specific list for our website. And we have a bunch of options, but for now, we're gonna start with unordered lists. For creating unordered lists, let's come our body tag. And inside this body tag, I'm just gonna create unordered and list, UL. UL is the abbreviation and stands for unordered list. And after creating this, I'm just gonna close this off. Okay, let's just indent this inside this body. Okay, inside this unordered list, I'm gonna say I want to create lists. For example, let's create here list tag. Okay, and this is the list item. This L and I also abbreviation and stands for list and item. Inside this, let's just write here, I'm gonna come here and let's just remove this. And here I'm gonna write, for example, Java. Okay, let's just copy this. I'm gonna write here the Python and let's write here the React. And the last of all, I'm gonna write here the HTML. Okay, you can see here, I just wrote my unordered list here. Java, Python, React, and the HTML. Let's just save this file. Let's go our website and let's just refresh this. You can see here, this is my unordered list. And in here, you can see this is a little black dot. I have here a little black dot. It's because we don't have order. It is unordered list. Okay, for example, we can come here, we can add so many elements. It's completely up to you guys. You can write here whatever you want. For example, let's write other li, and I'm gonna just write here the CSS. Okay, after writing this, let's go back our website. If I refresh this page, you can see Java, Python, React, HTML, and CSS I can see here. And except this unordered list, we can create here the ordered list. For doing this, let's just remove our unordered list from here. I'm just gonna write here the less than sign ordered list, and this O and L also abbreviation and stands for ordered and list. I'm just gonna create this and I'm just gonna close this off. Okay, and inside this ordered list, we can write our list. For example, I'm gonna write list element, list item, or let's write here again the Python. Let's just write like this. I want to write here Python, for example. Let's this time write a framework, Django, and I'm gonna write here Spring, and I'm gonna write here let's write Ruby on Rails. Okay, let's just write them and let's go back our website. If I refresh this page, you can see this time it is ordered list, and I can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you add here, for example, let's come after this Python. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna say I want to add here not Python. Let's this time add C, and Sharp. Okay, if you come back your website, if you refresh this, you can see the 2 in the previous example, 2 was Django, but if I write here anything new, at this time the 2 will be C Sharp. And all elements will increase 1 and just go one way down. Okay guys, you can see here I just wrote the O and L and I saw my elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But maybe I don't want to get this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, I can get this alphabetic order. For doing this, I'm just gonna write here the type attribute. Inside this quotation mark, we can write so many things. First of all, let's begin with these Roman numbers. If I click on this, you can see I just wrote here the uppercase I, and this is my Roman number 1. If I come back my website, if I refresh this, you can see it is 1th, it is 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and like this. But you can change also this to the little non-uppercase Roman number. If I come here, if I refresh this, you can see it became the non-uppercase. Okay guys, let's come here again. For example, I can change this to A, the uppercase A. If I refresh this page, I'm just gonna get all my lists with this alphabetic order: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, or etc. Or let's change this to A, the little a. If I refresh this page, I'm just gonna see the Python, C#, Django, and numbers. Actually, there are numbers, and the letter they aren't uppercase. Okay guys, we saw two kinds of lists here. One of them is unordered list and one of them is the ordered list. And we said there's only one difference between unordered and the ordered list. For example, in the ordered list, you can give a type and you can say, I want to get them to alphabetic or Roman numbers or the basic numbers. Okay guys, we're gonna use this list so many times in this video series, and I want you to get all of this good. And in the next lecture, we're gonna see our tables. I can say that this table's a little bit different and a little bit difficult than others. So make sure until here what you learned all of these completely and exactly. Okay guys, let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next video.